Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Bitdefender installation issues step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your computer is connected to the internet. Navigate to the Bitdefender website. Download the latest version of the Bitdefender installation file. Locate the downloaded file in your computer's Downloads folder. Double-click the installation file to begin the setup process. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes to allow the installation to proceed. Follow the on-screen instructions until you reach the installation type screen. Choose between typical or custom installation based on your preferences. If errors appear during installation, take note of the error code displayed. Search for the specific error code on the Bitdefender support website. Follow the troubleshooting steps provided for that error code. If installation fails, completely uninstall any previous versions of Bitdefender. To uninstall, go to the control panel on your computer. Select Programs, then uninstall a program. Find Bitdefender in the list, right-click, and choose Uninstall. After restarting, run a system cleanup to remove any leftover files. Use a trusted removal tool if necessary to ensure complete uninstallation. Once the system is clean, revisit the Bitdefender website to download the installer again. Rerun the installation file and follow the prompts once more. If the installation still fails, consider disabling any conflicting software temporarily. This includes other antivirus programs or firewall applications that might interfere. Once you have disabled conflicting software, restart the installation process. If the issue persists, check for any pending Windows updates. Install any available updates and restart your computer again. Finally, attempt the Bitdefender installation one last time. If you successfully complete the installation, follow the prompts to activate your subscription. After installation, run an initial system scan to ensure everything is functioning properly. For any lingering issues, reach out to Bitdefender customer support for additional assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.